Today, I'm making soft and delicious classic scones. It's simple ingredients, quick steps, and perfect for breakfast or tea. So let's get started. Get a clean bowl and add in 300 grams of flour. This flour is already sifted behind the camera, okay? And I'll be adding 4 teaspoons of baking powder. After that, I'll be adding half teaspoon of salt, followed by 3 tablespoons of sugar. And after that, I will give it a quick mix. 160 ml of milk or 165 grams of milk if you are using gram, okay? And we have 1 egg. So I'll be adding the egg into the milk, and this will serve as our wet ingredient, and I'll be putting that aside. Still on the dry ingredient, I'll be adding 90 grams of cold margarine into our dry ingredients. You can use butter, you can use margarine, and I will be mixing it together until it's well combined, okay? So the final product will be looking like a breadcrumb, okay? And if you found some lumps of margarine inside it, it's totally okay. It will just make your scone very crispy. I'll be mixing the egg and the milk together, and I will be pouring it inside our dry ingredients. And first I make a well inside the dry ingredient, then pour the milk and the egg into the dry mixture, and I will give it a quick mix until it's well combined. But please do not over mix at this stage, because you don't want a tough scones, okay? So just mix it a bit, do not over mix. So on my clean work surface, I'm adding a little bit of flour, and I'll be putting the dough on my work surface. With my scraper and my palm, I'll be using it to flatten the dough. So as you can see, I'm not kneading the dough, but I'm just using the scraper and my palm to flatten the dough, because we don't want a tough dough. When the dough is tough, then the scones won't come out, soft, moist, and nice, okay? With my round cookie cutter, I'll be using it to cut out the scones. You can use any cookie cutter of your choice. To all my amazing subscribers, I just want to welcome you, that you are welcome once again to my channel, and those watching for the first time, you're welcome. God bless you. So I'll be transferring the cut out dough into my baking tray, and I'll be baking for 30 minutes or 35 minutes because I'm using a gas oven, okay? But if you are using an electric oven, you can bake for like 15 minutes and 400-degree Fahrenheit or 200-degree Celsius, okay? Based on the oven that you are using, okay? But if you are using gas like mine, you can bake it in a medium heat, all right? So please, if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe, like, and share the video, and God bless you as you do so. So before proceeding to bake the scone, I'll be using some milk to brush the scone. You can either use egg or milk, or you can use the combination of both egg and milk to brush your scone. This is so that it can give us a golden brown look, all right? And here are my classic scones. It's very golden on the outside, and it's so soft and moist on the inside. So you can enjoy this classic scone with butter, with jam, or with tea. Please, if you enjoy this video, like and subscribe for more recipe, okay? And do not forget to share. I will Definitely see you in my next video. Bye bye.